Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. This video is about best skin whitening cream which we will do it by using simple rice. As we all know that rice is having a lot of anti-aging properties. It also can add skin brightening effect and protects the skin barriers, also soothes the sunburn. Firstly, you have to take 4 tablespoons of rice and wash them properly and dip them or soak them in 1.5 glass of water for 30 minutes. After that, boil the rice in the water till the half of the water is left and put this mixture in a blender. Blend them so properly that you get a creamy mixture, and if there is any particle large size, then you can stain it. Next step will be the addition of the almond oil, 2 to 3 drops into this creamy consistency mixture. Almond oil is very good. It reduces the wrinkles, scars and also the stretch marks from your face and skin, and also hydrate your skin very well. Next step will be the third component which you are going coconut oil that nourish the dry skin, replenish lost moisture and also having anti-inflammatory properties. The last ingredient which you have to add is the milk, as we all know that this is the best cleanser and best moisturizer. So you have to apply this cream on daily basis till you get the good results. So overnight application will be recommended. I hope you will like the video, and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel for watching more such videos.